Welcome back, guys. Today, we're bringing you 15 super handy gadgets to upgrade your kitchen, home, and even your chill vibes. From homemade pasta tools to next-level coffee organization, deep cleaning scrubbers, and cozy flame effect diffusers, these picks are all about making life easier, cleaner, and way more enjoyable. Whether you're a foodie, a coffee lover, a clean freak, or just love a cozy vibe, there's something here for you. Let's jump right in. And of course, all the links are waiting for you in the description below. This magnetic knife block is the perfect blend of style and function. Made from rich acacia wood and designed with double-sided magnetic power to hold your knives securely. It includes a handy built-in knife sharpener to keep every blade razor sharp and ready to go. Measuring 14 by 10 inches, it sits proudly on your kitchen counter, offering both elegance and practicality while making sure your kitchen tools are always organized, safe, and within easy reach. This flame effect oil diffuser brings cozy vibes with 7-color LED lights and timer settings. Ultra quiet and auto off when water runs low, it's safe and perfect for home, office, yoga, or gifting. Add essential oils for aromatherapy, skin hydration, and relaxation. Stylish and soothing for any space. It's like having a mini fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or setting the mood for a relaxing evening. This cordless electric scrubber speeds up cleaning with 450 RPM power and 2 speeds. 1. Comes with 4 brush heads and an extendable handle to tackle every surface. Waterproof and rechargeable via USB-C, with LED battery display. Perfect for tubs, tile, cars, and more. Cut your work time in half and clean smarter, not harder. Lightweight and easy to handle, it saves your back and knees from bending. Whether it's daily mess or deep cleaning, this tool makes every scrub effortless. This cordless electric knife is your kitchen game changer, featuring a quick eject button for easy blade removal and a smart safety lock for peace of mind. Its ergonomic handle and one-touch start make slicing smooth and effortless, while dual-directional blades power through meats and breads alike. Plus, it comes with a sleek storage box to keep blades and accessories neatly organized, making it the perfect companion for fast, safe, and efficient meal prep. This electric cooking pot brings the kitchen wherever you go. Designed with a non-stick coating, it lets you sauté, fry, or boil your favorite meals with ease. It's perfect for dorm rooms or small spaces, heats up fast with dual power settings, and even includes safety features like overheat protection. With its 2-liter capacity and compact design, this portable pot is your go-to for quick, delicious meals, whether you're at home, traveling, or cooking up a storm at a picnic. This defrosting tray speeds up thawing by 50%, getting your frozen meats ready faster than ever. With airflow technology that preserves natural juices and nutrients, it keeps your food fresh and flavorful. The touch button interface and clear LCD timer make operation effortless, while its die-cast aluminum design and built-in generators tackle acid and odor buildup. Say goodbye to waiting around. This defrosting tray ensures your meals are always prepped and delicious. This bread maker transforms your kitchen into a bakery with 20 program menus and a big 2-pound capacity to feed the whole family. Dual heaters bake evenly with 360 degrees heat, and its ceramic non-stick pan ensures healthier, chemical-free baking. Enjoy fresh bread anytime with the delay timer and keep warm setting, all while the quiet motor keeps your kitchen peaceful. Complete with handy accessories, this bread machine makes baking homemade bread an everyday delight. This electric griddle is your ultimate kitchen companion, folding down for compact storage while saving up to 50% more space. The non-stick Evergood coating makes cooking and cleanup a breeze, while the built-in drip tray catches grease for mess-free meals. Cook with precision using dual temperature zones, and enjoy the cool touch handles for safe handling. Whether you're flipping pancakes or sizzling bacon, this griddle serves up flavor and convenience in every bite. This salad dressing shaker bottle is your all-in-one kitchen tool, featuring a built-in citrus juicer for easy dressings, marinades, or cocktails. Its sleek design ensures smooth mixing, while the wide, drip-free pourer prevents spills. The airtight, leak-proof seal lets you shake with confidence, and it's fully dishwasher-safe with detachable parts for effortless cleaning. With ounce per milliliter measurements on the container, a soft grip ring, and a non-slip base, it's built for convenient prep and stable use. This cook full meals at once with this dual-pot multi-cooker. Features include slow cook, saute, bake, steam, and more. Dual sync tech ensures both dishes finish together. Replace over 30 kitchen tools while locking in flavor with searing. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for breads and desserts. The non-stick ceramic pots clean easily, and with two 3.7 quart pots, you can serve family-sized meals effortlessly. This ice cream maker turns every day into a dessert celebration. Whether you're craving creamy gelato, loaded milkshakes, refreshing sorbet, or colorful smoothie bowls, this compact yet mighty machine has you covered. Featuring 7 one-touch programs, it's never been easier to whip up your favorite frozen treats right at home. The set includes 2 pint-sized containers and lids, so you're always ready to create, serve, and store. Go wild with mix-ins, chocolate chips, fruit chunks, candy, or anything your sweet tooth desires. This electric jar opener makes opening jars effortless and frustration-free. Designed with convenience in mind, it's perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone with limited grip strength. It fits lids from 1.2 to 3.5 inches wide and delivers powerful torque to tackle even the tightest seals. Just place it on the jar, press a button, and in about 20 seconds, your jar is open. Battery-powered and compact, it stores easily in your kitchen drawer or cabinet. It's the kind of gadget you'll wonder how you ever lived without, bringing ease and independence to everyday cooking. Whether it's stubborn pickle jars or sauce lids, this tool has your back every time. This 9-piece set has everything for handmade pasta, dumplings, cookies, and more. Includes dumpling maker, wooden knife, rolling pin, gnocchi board, pasta cutter, and stamp cutters. Made from natural wood and stainless steel for comfort and durability. Easy to use for pros or beginners, seals dumplings tight, and works great at home or in restaurants. This sleek coffee pod carousel holds up to 40 Nespresso Virtuo line pods across 5 tiers for easy display. With a compact base, it fits perfectly on your counter and spins smoothly with an ergonomic knob. Labels and colors stay visible, keeping your favorite brew within reach. A stylish, space-saving must-have for coffee lovers. This luxury bamboo cheese board set instantly elevates your hosting game, turning any gathering into an unforgettable occasion. With a spacious board and thoughtful accessories, it's the ultimate tool for effortless entertaining. 2 hidden pull-out drawers reveal serving knives, bowls, a fruit tray, and even a stone platter, giving you everything you need to craft a mouth-watering spread. Made from premium, sustainably sourced bamboo, this board resists liquids, odors, and stains, ensuring it stays beautiful for years to come. Let your creativity shine as you arrange meats, cheeses, fruits, and snacks into an irresistible display that's as gorgeous as it is delicious. Perfect for romantic evenings or lively parties, it sets the mood for unforgettable memories. Plus, it doubles as stylish kitchen decor when not in use. Packaged in an elegant box, this cheeseboard set makes the perfect gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any celebration, helping your loved ones enjoy life's tastiest moments. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.